Two things. One, yeah, got a haircut. I like it. All right, and second, my game capture card just came in, and I'm really excited for it, and we're gonna do an unboxing video. So, using keys to unbox it. I don't think keys are gonna work. Fuck it, I got scissors. Okay. Now let's open this bitch up. Yay. Okay. Gotta cut the top off. Yeah. Richie's bad at opening boxes. Alright, come on. Oh, shit. There we go. And that I could just rip. Yeah. Okay. She's purdy. Okay. Fuck the box. Alright. And here it is. My Game Capture HD from Elgato. So there's the front of it. Take a look. You can probably see me on the screen. There I am. Okay, well, there it is. Let me see if you can get a... There. There's that. Here's the back of it. Bring it over here. There it is. Okay. And let's just open up this bitch up. Gotta use it like it's a knife. Okay. Looks like it's wrapped in like saran wrap. This kind of wrapping. Okay, there's that. Looks like it's in a sleeve, which is cool. So let's look at that. I'm gonna keep that. That looks cool. Okay. Okay, and here's the front of it. There you can get a good look at that. It's pretty cool. Works with PS3, Xbox 360, Xbox One, and PS4, it looks like. Looks like it works for every system. Now let's open up the top part. Let's do that right here. The main component is on top. Here it is. Ooh, it's cold. Here it is. It says Elgato Game Capture HD. Oh, and it has that like little wrapping that electronics have on it. This is gonna be fun. Okay, hold on. Let's see. See. I love that. I love doing that. And there it is. She's party. Right there. Says Elgato Gaming HD. And on the back, it just has like the serial number and that type of stuff. Okay. So let's set that off to the side for right now. And, and like right here, looks like this little thing where it says get started. It opens up. And there's this little thingy right here. Oh shit. Oh, okay, there's some directions on it. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh shit. Shit's falling. Okay. Directions. We'll look at that in a second. We don't care about that right now. Alright. And looks like this one has the same kind of style. It just opens right up. And here we go. Let's get all the stuff out and set that right there. Okay, first off, what looks like what we have here. Where are my scissors? God, I'm so unorganized. Where the fuck? Ah, under the directions. Okay, right here. We got a looks like a USB. Okay, comes with a USB cable. Set that right there. Okay, and here looks like you got your S video and connected to I haven't used these in a long time. I'm not sure, but there's the S video, and then there's the other ones. And I'm gonna set that right there. Now let's open this up. Comes with a lot of cables. This is your HDMI. Now you got your little HDMI cable right here. See that? There's that one, and there's that one. Okay, set that right there. And the last cable. Okay. And oh fuck, maybe this is the fucking S video. Oh, I'm bad with cables. I'm sorry. And oh, that's cool. It's covered with this little thingy. I think this is where you plug it into your, I don't know. That's what directions are for. But it has this like little cover on it, and then you just pop that off, and yeah. Okay. A lot of packaging. A lot of box design for it. Now let's just put this back together. Okay. So, right here, we have all the cables and the device itself. We're gonna have a lot of fun here. Well, alright guys. There is the Elgato Game Capture HD, and here's the device itself. And right now, I wanted to, oh fuck, had it the wrong way. Here. The device itself, and the cool looking box. I'm gonna keep that box. It looks cool. As a memory for my adventures. Alright, so, well, I just wanted to thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me out a lot, and I love your guys' feedback. Please comment, leave your feedback on everything, and I'm going to be posting this on my main channel and my second channel. My second channel is also Gibsonona. I'm going to put a link down in the description so you can find it easier, and subscribe for more videos on there. There's going to be unboxings. I'm also going to do a review of this, and basically the review is just going to be some gameplay on it, just so you guys can see how it works. And so, well, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and you have a nice day.